In this video, we're diving into how to boost your YouTube views using a tool called TubeLab and how its AI-powered features help you rank higher, find better content ideas, and stop guessing what your next video should be. What's going on, everyone? My name's Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel, we cut through the fluff to help you make smarter business decisions, especially when it comes to tools that actually save time and get you results. If you've ever uploaded a video and just hoped it would perform, this one's for you. So let's get into it. The problem most YouTubers face. Now let's be real. Most creators upload and pray. You put in hours filming, editing, writing titles, making thumbnails, and then silence. A handful of views, maybe some likes, and no real idea why something hit or flopped. The problem? We're flying blind. Even the YouTube Studio dashboard only tells you part of the story. That's where TubeLab steps in. It's built around three core ideas: create, track, optimize. Not just analytics. Not just keyword tools, but a full loop of creation and feedback designed to actually make your next video smarter than your last. The backstory: from rank tracker to optimization suite. So TubeLab actually started as a simple tool called YT Rank. It let creators check where their videos ranked for specific keywords, which sounds basic now, but it was a huge unlock back then. But instead of staying in that lane, the team listened. Creators wanted more than ranking. They wanted to know how their videos stacked up against the competition, which niches were taking off, and what topics had the best shot at going viral. So YT Rank evolved. And what we have today is TubeLab, a smarter, AI-supported tool for getting real answers from your content. How TubeLab helps you track video performance like a pro. Rank Tracker. See where you stand and why. First up, the YouTube Rank Tracker. This feature lets you track your video rankings day by day, across different keywords and even across different countries. You can compare your rankings to your competitors, check historical performance, and get the full picture instead of guessing why traffic slowed down or spiked. Even better, it pulls in your video metrics, like views, likes, comments, and watch time, so that you can connect rankings to real engagement. And yes, it updates automatically every day. Let's say you post a video on AI tools for YouTubers. You can track how you rank for AI YouTube tools, YouTube SEO tools, grow YouTube with AI, and you can see which ones actually bring views, so you double down on what's working. It's simple but powerful, especially if you're tired of relying on vague impressions from YouTube analytics alone. Rank Checker. Instant lookups. When you're short on time. There's also the Rank Checker, a lightweight version of the tracker that lets you check any video's position for any keyword instantly. You don't need to log in. You don't need to upload your video. You just paste in the URL, type in a keyword, and boom, you see the ranking. Perfect for spot checking your older uploads or spying on the competition without overthinking it. And it saves a history of your checks too, so you can come back later and see how things changed. Use AI to find better YouTube ideas. Now let's talk about what most creators really want. What should I post next? You can be the best editor in the world, but if your topic is weak, it's going nowhere. That's why TubeLab's niche and ideation tools might be the most exciting part of the whole platform. Here's what they give you. AI-powered ideation tool. This tool generates new video ideas based on what's trending in your niche. Not just what's popular, but what's likely to get traction. It's not just make a video about AI. It's more like the AI tool YouTubers are switching to in 2025. Why this video style gets 3 times more views right now. This creator blew up using this niche hack. It pulls from a massive data set of over 3 million outlier videos in 300,000 plus channels. So it's not just guessing, it's learning. Niche Analyzer. Discover profitable, underrated niches. The Niche Analyzer breaks down YouTube niches by performance metrics: subscriber growth trends, view counts versus upload frequency, monetization potential, keyword difficulty. So if you're thinking of pivoting your channel or launching a second one, this is the research you wish you did earlier. Maybe you've been grinding in the tech tutorials niche, but the analyzer shows a sudden spike in digital minimalism videos with less competition. That's your chance to pivot before the trend peaks. See if a channel or a video is making money and how much. This is the feature I didn't know I needed: the monetization and RPM checker. It's a browser extension that you can use on any YouTube channel. It tells you whether the video is monetized, the estimated RPM or revenue per 1,000 views, and estimated total earnings. CPM range based on the niche. So you can use it to reverse engineer why some creators are making bank while others aren't, even with similar view counts. For example, you might see that a 20K view video in the personal finance niche is making more than 100,000 view video in the comedy skits niche. That's niche RPM in action. And knowing that helps you play a smarter game. This is especially helpful if you're building a business around your channel, not just hoping AdSense pays the bills. How TubeLab helps you stay consistent. One of the hardest things as a creator is staying consistent. You want to keep posting, keep improving, but you don't always know how to improve. TubeLab helps here too, with 2 simple features. Weekly digests. You get automatic email updates breaking down what's working, what's dropped off, new niche trends, video ideas tied to your content history. It's like having a YouTube manager send you a weekly strategy report without paying for one. Public roadmap. Built by creators for creators. This isn't some faceless SaaS company. TubeLab's entire roadmap is public, and new features are added based on user feedback. AI ideation, that came from user suggestions. The RPM checker, also a user request. Even the layout changes came from people like you using the tool every day and asking for tweaks. It's a good sign when the product that you're using is being actively shaped by the same people it's built for. Who TubeLab is for. All right, let's zoom out a bit. If you're a solo creator looking to stop guessing and start growing, a business owner using YouTube as a funnel, a channel manager helping others get results, then TubeLab gives you that feedback loop that most people are missing. You're not just getting more data, you're getting better questions to ask. Like, why did this video rank better in Germany than in the US? Which keyword actually drove traffic? Is this topic worth repeating, or did I just get lucky? And most importantly, what should I do next? So is TubeLab worth it? Now here's the thing. You don't need 15 different tools anymore. TubeLab pulls ranking, ideation, revenue analysis, and niche tracking into one creator-focused dashboard. And yeah, so the real value isn't just in the features. It's the clarity. It's knowing that your next upload isn't a shot in the dark. It's a move you made on purpose, backed by actual data. So if you're serious about growing on YouTube and you're tired of throwing videos into the void, give it a look. If you want to get started with TubeLab, we've got a link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using it, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on this channel, we provide in-depth reviews and comparison of SaaS tools to help you find the best software solutions for streamlining your business and boosting productivity. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.